Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your Derby Council Tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Derby Council Tax Login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link myaccount.derby.gov.uk. Click on that first link. Now you'll be redirected to the new interface, which is the sign-in page of Derby. Just enter your email address over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on sign in button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot your password to recover your password. In case if you don't have any account of Derby Council Tax account, just click on register button to create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.